Hello, my name is Cameron, and I'm your Love Encore Delivery Specialist here at Hendrick Subaru. We all know how exciting and overwhelming it can be to purchase a new vehicle. My job is to make sure that you're well acclimated with all the bells and whistles of your new Subaru. We will offer you the opportunity to come back to the retailer for a one-on-one tutorial following your purchase. See this journal? This is our Love Encore Journal, and we encourage you to write any questions you may have before our time together. We will go over any lingering questions and provide in-depth information on any features that you may not fully understand. We stand by our Subaru Love Promise and want to make sure that you are fully comfortable driving your vehicle. But we also know that your time is valuable. So at the end of your appointment, you will receive a complimentary $25 gas card. We hope to exceed all your expectations in providing a superior delivery experience, and I look forward to seeing you at your next visit here at Hendrick Subaru.